Hey everyone, it is time for a comfy edition of our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. And this is a first ever with Temp-tations. We have done a set of 2 throw pillows in some of our classic holiday patterns. So take a peek right here at our traditional poinsettia with our beautiful sweet cardinal in that gorgeous repeat pattern. Their pillows are 16 by 16. They have a beautiful plush detail and they're actually washable. You can just unzip, take the pillow out and go ahead and wash that pillowcase. We also have them available in, of course, our sweet Winter Whimsy, where we have all of our characters wrapped in our antique bulbs that you see there, those nice oversizing. Look at the sweet smile on our snowman, or of course that face of Wimbley. I love that. Our reindeer, of course, we have Penny, our penguin, and let's not forget about Gumdrop right up top. And what's great about these is, as I mentioned, you can wash them. They're printed on the front and the back, and you're going to receive the set of 2. Then, of course, and I love this, we have our elegant plaid, our holiday plaid. So I love that we kind of have a design detail for almost every decor style that you have, wherever you want to like cozy up that space, whether it be on your bed, whether it be on your couch, maybe you have a nice oversized chair that you love to sit in. These are perfect to go ahead and tuck right inside there. And then I love that we also have our snowflake pattern. This is really sweet too, because it's that beautiful snowflake in all the pops of the steel gray, the lighter gray, and I'm hoping you can see how nice and soft and cozy these plush pillows are. So, as I mentioned, set of 2. Where can you find them? Over at Temp-tations.com. Head on over there. We did not bring in a lot of these. What we brought in is all we have for the season, and we just want to cozy up whatever space you want.